What's up, guys? We're here with Jeb Perry.
Hey, bro, it's lit.
And we might be doing a 24-hour challenge in Costco today with, what's up, guys? Jeb's brother, Carter, who's tying his shoe like a savage. And now he's attacking people. Ouch. And, I don't know. We're going to do some stuff. We're going to get the mail and probably scoot around after they put their scooters together because they took them to San Diego. You know, I'm probably too lazy to put Jeb's link in the description. Oh, that was lit. He just threw it and it landed there. And, so just look up Jeb Perry and you'll probably find him. He looks like that. And, let's see what happens. Oh, hey, what are you gonna gap? Wait! Oh, shoot. Where are they going? Carsonicus! Hey, what did you gap? Wait, what did you gap? You didn't gap anything. I was gonna get it on video. You're on YouTube. Say hi, Carson. Hey, you subscribed to me, actually, my old account, and then I deleted it, and you're like, oh, okay. Hey, subscribe to me, Landon Cox. If I get 35 followers by the end of July, you get an Apple card, okay? Is that Gucci for you?
Joke's on Jeb, I want his Apple gift card.
You did? Oh my, Jeb.
No, I didn't.
Hey guys, what's up? Jeb just almost lost my phone in a park because he's fat. And now we're sitting here playing Happy Wheels because we're awesome. Guys, we're doorbell ditching our friend Campbell and Kylie. Let's go.
Hey, guys, I know where we're gonna hide.
Where?
Let's hide right in there.
Right in there. That's sketchy, but okay. Go.
You go.
Over here.
Do you see him?
I hear things.
Okay, guys, we're hiding in the field. We're laying down in the field.
Hey, what are you doing?
Shh. God, some kids are talking. Run, Carter, go! What? There are some children. There are some kids on the playground. My video? There's no flash on video. Shoot, there's no flash on video.
2 kids, come on.
Okay.
Jump down.
There's some kids
Babe,
like
you
right
look like
there.
Nick Crumpton.
There's some kids like right there just like looking at us and it's weird. They don't... maybe.
Over here.
Dude, are they over there?
Yeah, they are, guys. They've come into the park. They just had to grab their phones.
Shoot, it's actually really loud outside, but my camera can't even like see brightness, so it's
fine.
Once they come, okay, they're that bright light right there moving around. That one that I'm pointing at nearest. Where's the bright light go? Oh, they're coming. Just go. Oh, there it is.
Oh, really?
Bright light. Ugh.
I'll be
Yo,
a
guys.
video manager, dude.
This is Kylie. You can't see her because it's really dark. This is Campbell. They're
You
lit.
can put your flash. Ah! You can put your flash on.
Oh,
Okay,
I know.
ready?
I can,
Guys,
but I
guys,
don't want to.
turn.
Okay.
Oh shoot! Why did that video?
Hey, let's go. Kylie, be in my vlog. Kylie. Hey guys, it's Kylie. Gang.
Let me
Debbie.
see. Hey, what's up, man?
Hey.
At Jeb Perry,
Hey, if you
subscribe.
sub to me, you can win a free Apple card.
Oh, give me one.
Okay, if I get 35
actually
followers by the end of July.
Okay, we're like best friends, so he's gonna give me one. So,
Yeah, sure.
anyways, go follow me and Sydney's account. Oh, you can't even see me.
That's okay. What's it called?
I don't know. We didn't have
Okay, shout out to their account. I don't know what it's called though. Is there a party here?
No, they're not. Go.
What?
Go, Jeb. Go bring it.
Let's go. Dun, 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 dun. Now I have to put a little parental advisory thing now. Oh, I just jumped their plant. Wait, guys.
Do it for the views, bro. Do it for the vlog. Do it for the vlog. Do that for the vlog.
I'm scared. I accidentally just yelled, "Hey, Nichols," and it was actually her parents. Oh no. Now we're all done.
We're done for.
Carter.
Guys, let's do it again.
Why?
We need to get
Dude.
take a picture of our shadows.
Oh, I just got decked by Hallie twice. Hallie, is that you?
What?
Hey, say hi to the vlog. You're allowed to be on YouTube, right?
You were totally
Are you allowed to be on YouTube?
I don't want to.
No, I have a phone. I can't see. I can't see. Jeff. Oh, I'm gonna be so itchy.
Who's this Haley character?
Oh shoot, chill. Ow. Oh.
What happened?
Hallie just freaking decked me. Ah. Who are you?
Taylor, she's on
Oh,
my
hi,
basketball team.
Tayley. I know you.
Yeah.
Hey, guys, this is Taylor. Say hi to YouTube, Taylor.
Hi.
Y'all, we the gang.
I dropped my phone in a washer.
I dropped my phone and I'm
And it doesn't work.
Hold up, y'all. I just got attacked by this girl named Taylor. And I don't even know her very well. And I was chased through sprinklers. That was fun.
Hey guys, it's Holly. Come follow me on whatever. I don't even remember my username. Oh yeah, Holly back with the Taylor Clemens 28 Instagram. Follow me. Oh yeah, Kylie Harris. Woo!
Are you filming just with the camera?
Yeah.
Oh, you're on my vlog. That's pretty cool.
I got the light. That's cool.
Hey,
Oh, let's see Landon. How's Landon looking? Landon has bleeding nose.
Yeah, I'm looking great, right? Let me see. Let me see myself.
Looking fine. No, not really.
Oh,
Okay, I'm getting out of here. Can I bring this next to the sprinkler?
no.
I'm just joking. That'd be mean.
Look at my screen.
Hey! I should be a professional vlogger someday, shouldn't I?
Sure.
they're teaching me moves with twins.
Hey, Hallie, I'll shout out.
Or I'll show
What
you.
the heck's going on?
Shut up.
I need my phone. Thank you. Hey guys, it's back me. Hallie's awesome. It's back to me.
thank
I had a bloody nose and had to clean myself off with a sprinkler. Tonight was fun. Okay, we just finished, and my bloody nose is no longer bleeding, and I'm still wet, and we had fun.
I'm gonna have to take a shower. Night success.
Yeah, and I have a splinter in my shoulder.
Let me see.
Alright guys, I'm gonna clean out my bloody nose. I'm gonna end the vlog here too. Today was awesome. Remember guys, 35 followers giveaway, and maybe I'll do other giveaways. Collab with Jeb with Great today. Also doing it tomorrow. See you next time. Oh, one more thing. I might be getting an ending intro like theme thing, but I don't know yet. So put in the comments what do you want it to be like, and maybe song suggestions. Bye.